Integrating AeroLeads with Pipedrive, go to Integrations page and search for Pipedrive. To connect, you will need Pipedrive API key. To get one, simply navigate to Personal Preference section on Pipedrive and open API tab. Copy and paste your API key to AeroLeads integration page and click Update. Once connected, you will be redirected back to Prospects page. All you have to do is now select the prospects and select Pipedrive under Transfer to section. Once transferred, you can check contacts on your Pipedrive dashboard.